ये जीवन कभी बनिए रहे दोस्ती है तेरी कसम ओ यारा मेरे जुदा हम होंगे कभी हमेशा रहे तू साथी मेरा ये बंधन न टूटे कभी ये हिम्मत तेरी ये कुव्वत तेरी भरे है हर दफा ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ना कयामत ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत ओ ओ तेरा ही प्यार तुझ पे है ये क्या निशान तेरा जो गम है वो मेरा है गम वो तेरी खुशी में बहार है तेरी जो जी वो मेरी हो जी तेरी हार में मेरी हार ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत अब ये हो कुछ ना रहे पर रहे दोस्ती और मोहब्बत सदा दुनिया में सिर्फ प्यार जिंदा रहे आसमां ना रहे ये ज़मीन ना रहे चाहे मर्जी खुदा की हो कुछ ना रहे पर रहे दोस्ती और मोहब्बत सदा दुनिया में सिर्फ प्यार जिंदा रहे मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत ओ मेरे यार तू मेरा प्यार सदा रहे तू सलामत तेरी मेरी ये दोस्ती यूं ही रहे ता कयामत यूं ही रहे ता कयामत यूं ही रहेगा कयामत यूं ही रहेगा कयामत थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू ज़ीशान लाल एंड टीम बहुत शुक्रिया ज़ल्ज़लों की ना दस्तरस हो कभी ज़ल्ज़लों की ना दस्तरस हो कभी ए वतन तेरी इस्तकामत तक हम पे गुजरे क़यामतें लेकिन तू सलामत रहे क़यामत तक तकरीर के लिए मैं दावत दूंगा AIT यूनिवर्सिटी के पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स के प्रेसिडेंट जनाब मुआज़ अल्ताफ़ साहब को जो कि इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक़ है उनका यहाँ AIT यूनिवर्सिटी में अपनी तालीम हासिल कर रहे हैं मुआज़ अल्ताफ़ साहब
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf of the Pakistani students at AIT, I would like to thank the Overseas Pakistani Association In particular, the President Abdul Ghaffar Sahab, the Vice President Rana Tanveer Sahab, and Azhar Virik Sahab, who is the General Secretary. I would also like to wish all of you Happy Independence Day. Like Azhar Bhai mentioned, that my speech is going to encompass something about the two nations theory. Notwithstanding quite a few very sorrowful incidents of the human history, the 20th century is remarkable for some very great and historic event also. This century is also remarkable for the fact that it gave birth to some very great and historic people who left everlasting impressions on the world. But the most remarkable event, which is unique and unprecedented in the history of mankind, is the creation of Pakistan. At the same time, the most distinguished personality in the modern history is the personality of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Ladies and gentlemen, the creation of Pakistan is unique and unparalleled in the human history because it was preceded by an ideology which became the foundation of this state. This ideology meant that Muslims given to nobody but Allah, and Pakistan would be a land where this principle would be put into actual practice. This ideology further elaborated that India is land of not only one nation, rather it is a land of two nations which have nothing in common, although they have been living together with each other for centuries, but still they are opponents to each other. Apart from their religion, their history, their culture, their tradition, their family systems, their economy, their caste systems, even their approaches and attitudes are completely different, and they cannot live together happily with each other under the new circumstances. Luckily, to promote this theory, the Muslims of the subcontinent got the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who came out as the political joint of the day. And with his great power of lucid arguments, his truth of passion, his commitment to his cause, and his sincerity he made all the subcontinent resound with the slogan, Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah. He led the Muslim nation so well that the destination itself rode the path and came near in only 7 years. It is only by the virtue of this great ideology, this great event, this great struggle, and this great leadership that we are able to lift our heads in the community of free nations. Ladies and gentlemen, with reference to this Independence Day, I would like to advise my fellow citizens that in future we should be more united, more disciplined, more vigilant to change the tone of our country economically, socially and militarily.